Hello, hello! Welcome back to the English Audiobook Library. My name is Malika, and I'm so thrilled to be here with you today for episode 6. Incredible! We've already learned 800 essential English sentences together. You're doing such an amazing job. Today, we're continuing with sentences 801 through 900. That's another 100 sentences covering computers and the internet, making apologies, seasons and climate, cooking and recipes, expressing surprise, cleaning and organization, patience, success and failure, communication styles, and being on time. These sentences will help you in so many everyday situations. So let's get started right away. Let's begin with the internet and computers. Sentence 801. My computer is frozen. Report technical problem. Sentence 802. I need to restart it. State solution. Sentence 803. Can you help me install this? Request tech help. Sentence 804. The internet is slow today. Complain about speed. Sentence 805. I forgot my password. Report access problem. Sentence 806. Can you email me that? Request electronic delivery. Sentence 807. I need to download this file. State intention. Sentence 808. My laptop battery is low. Report power issue. Sentence 809. Do you have a backup? Ask about data protection. Sentence 810. I need to update my software. State maintenance need. Now let's practice talking about mistakes and apologies. Sentence 811. I made a mistake. Admit error. Sentence 812. I'm so sorry. Sincere apology. Sentence 813. I didn't mean to do that. Explain unintentional action. Sentence 814. It was my fault. Take responsibility. Sentence 815. Please forgive me. Request forgiveness. Sentence 816. I'll try not to do it again. Promise improvement. Sentence 817. Everyone makes mistakes. Normalize errors. Sentence 818. Let me make it up to you. Offer compensation. Sentence 819. I accept your apology. Grant forgiveness. Sentence 820. No hard feelings. Dismiss grudge. Let's talk about seasons and climate. Sentence 821. Summer is my favorite season. Express preference. Sentence 822. I love the fall colors. Appreciate autumn. Sentence 823. Winter is too cold for me. Express dislike. Sentence 824. Spring is beautiful. Compliment season. Sentence 825. The seasons are changing. Observe transition. Sentence 826. I prefer warm weather. State preference. Sentence 827. I love when it snows. Express joy. Sentence 828. The days are getting longer. Observe daylight change. Sentence 829. It's perfect weather for a picnic. Describe ideal conditions. Sentence 830. I can't wait for summer vacation. Express anticipation. Now let's learn about cooking and recipes. Sentence 831. I'm cooking dinner tonight. State plan. Sentence 832. Do you know how to make this? Ask about recipe knowledge. Sentence 833. What ingredients do I need? Ask for recipe information. Sentence 834. Follow the recipe carefully. Give cooking advice. Sentence 835. Let me show you how. Offer demonstration. Sentence 836. It needs to bake for 30 minutes. Give timing instruction. Sentence 837. Don't forget to preheat the oven. Remind of step. Sentence 838. This tastes delicious. Compliment cooking. Sentence 839. I'm not a good cook. Admit limitation. Sentence 840. Practice makes perfect. Encourage improvement. Let's practice expressing surprise and shock. Sentence 841. I can't believe it. Express disbelief. Sentence 842. That's incredible. Show amazement. Sentence 843. No way. Express shock. Sentence 844. Are you serious? Question truth. Sentence 845. You're kidding. Express disbelief. Sentence 846. That's unbelievable. Show amazement. Sentence 847. I'm speechless. Express shock, rendering silence. Sentence 848. What a surprise. React to unexpected event. Sentence 849. I never saw that coming. Express unexpectedness. Sentence 850. That's shocking. React strongly. Now let's talk about cleaning and organization. Sentence 851. I need to clean my room. State chore, need. Sentence 852. This place is a mess. Describe disorder. Sentence 853. Help me tidy up. Request cleaning assistance. Sentence 854. Where should I put this? Ask about organization. Sentence 855. Let's organize the closet. Suggest organizing task. Sentence 856. I'm doing laundry today. State chore plan. Sentence 857. The house is spotless. Describe cleanliness. Sentence 858. We need to take out the trash. State necessity. Sentence 859. I love a clean space. Express preference. Sentence 860. This needs to be dusted. Point out cleaning need. Let's learn about patience and waiting. Sentence 861. Be patient. Encourage waiting. Sentence 862. How much longer? Ask about duration. Sentence 863. It won't take long. Reassure about time. Sentence 864. I'm running out of patience. Express frustration. Sentence 865. Good things come to those who wait. Encourage patience. Sentence 866. Just a few more minutes. Provide estimate. Sentence 867. I can't wait any longer. Express impatience. Sentence 868. Patience is a virtue. State wisdom. Sentence 869. We're almost there. Encourage persistence. Sentence 870. Thank you for waiting. Express appreciation. Now let's practice talking about success and failure. Sentence 871. I did it. Celebrate achievement. Sentence 872. You succeeded. Acknowledge success. Sentence 873. I failed the test. Admit failure. Sentence 874. Don't give up. Encourage persistence. Sentence 875. Failure is part of learning. Reframe failure positively. Sentence 876. You'll do better next time. Encourage improvement. Sentence 877. Success takes hard work. State truth. Sentence 878. I'm so close. Express near success. Sentence 879. Keep trying. Encourage persistence. Sentence 880. You've earned this success. Validate achievement. Let's talk about communication styles. Sentence 881. Can we talk? Request conversation. Sentence 882. I need to tell you something. Announce important news. Sentence 883. Let me explain. Request opportunity. Sentence 884. I'm listening. Show attention. Sentence 885. You're not listening to me. Express frustration. Sentence 886. I understand what you're saying. Show comprehension. Sentence 887. Let's have an honest conversation. Request openness. Sentence 888. I appreciate you being direct. Compliment communication. Sentence 889. Communication is key. State importance. Sentence 890. We need to talk this through. Suggest discussion. Finally, let's end with being late and on time. Sentence 891. I'm running late. Announce tardiness. Sentence 892. Sorry I'm late. Apologize for tardiness. Sentence 893. What time will you arrive? Ask about timing. Sentence 894. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Provide estimate. Sentence 895. You're early. Notice early arrival. Sentence 896. Right on time. Acknowledge punctuality. Sentence 897. We're behind schedule. State delay. Sentence 898. Let's try to be on time. Encourage punctuality. Sentence 899. I'm always late. Admit habit. Sentence 900. Better early than late. State preference. Fantastic! We've just completed another 100 sentences. That's 900 sentences total now. You're so close to finishing all 1,000 sentences. From computer problems to sincere apologies, from seasonal changes to cooking tips, from expressing surprise to organizing your home, from being patient to celebrating success, you now have so many more tools to communicate naturally in English. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a race. Practice these sentences every day. Use them in real conversations. The more you use them, the more they'll become a natural part of your English speaking. In our next and final episode, episode 7, we'll complete our journey with sentences 901 through 1000. That's the last 100 sentences covering stress and relaxation, culture, changes, useful phrases, and so much more. Thank you so much for joining me, Molika, today on the English Audiobook Library. You're doing such incredible work, and I'm so proud of how far you've come. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, you're almost there. Just 100 more sentences to go. Until next time, keep speaking English and keep believing in yourself.